Hey YouTube, this is Dr. Kaplan here. As you know, my goal is to make psychology accessible for anyone who wants it. So I've been putting these videos together, some full length, some shorter length, to see what you want, what you like. I've been watching YouTube a little bit and they talk about a 30-day challenge. And I am taking the 30-day challenge in which I will be releasing one video per day and seeing how that increases my reach. Um, I'm testing out a theory that other people have, but I'm gonna go onto my channel as a baseline and show you kind of where we are. So in general, we have about 5,000, 5,700 views in the last month or so. Our watch time is up, our subscribers are up, and I just recently got monetized, so I'm not worried about the money. I'm more interested in providing you good content. But here we are. Let's see what happens in the upcoming 30 days. If you like what I have to offer, don't forget to like this video, like all my videos, subscribe, and you'll get all the exclusive content. So I'm looking forward to seeing how to best serve you. Take care, everybody.